Mastering English Phrases. Unraveling, Fly a Course. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, fly a course. This phrase might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Fly a course is a phrase that originates from aviation. In its literal sense, it means to navigate an aircraft along a predetermined path or direction. However, metaphorically, it can be used in various contexts. When someone says they are trying to fly a course, they might mean they are following a specific plan or strategy in their life, career, or a particular project. In everyday language, fly a course can be a powerful metaphor. For example, if a person says, "I need to fly a course to achieve my career goals," they imply a need for focus and direction in their career planning. It conveys the idea of staying on track, much like a pilot follows a flight path. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. After much deliberation, I've decided to fly a course towards a career in engineering. 2. Our team needs to fly a course to ensure the success of this project. 3. He's been struggling to fly a course since he started college. In these examples, the phrase adds a layer of meaning and vividness, illustrating the concept of following a path or plan. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use fly a course confidently in your conversations and writings. Remember, English is full of such interesting phrases that can add color to your language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.